Site 15, Tierberg. Back in the day, the old people talked of tigers and wolves, and this name stuck, Tierberg. We've seen some leopards up there over the years. That's Blombos Kloof, and you're surrounded by absolute mountains. It's one of our premier sites. That little rocky outcrop is full of Magalli's montana, or milkplum, stamvrug. Site 15, Tierberg. Site 16, the valley, one of my personal favorites. We've had a little hiking cabin here over the years, very popular with overlanders, hikers, mountain bikers, 4x4 people. Yes, and that's the reason why we call it the valley. Look at these. Here you can really stretch your eyes. Site number 16, the valley. Site 17, Hardekool, Leadwood, one of our premier sites. And that's the reason why. Wraparound views. This site is in the saddle between two koppies, private, cul-de-sac, and the house orientation can be north or south, or why not both. Gorgeous.